If you're the kind of person who loves to travel, who wants to control stress and be relaxed, Bliss Escape is for you. Hi, I'm Colleen Madden-Davin. I'm a mom and an inventor, and until recently I was a stressed corporate worker. I tried meditation to control my stress, but nobody tells you meditation is really hard, and it's really hard to make a habit of. I felt like my eye was twitching nonstop, and I just wanted to escape to a place like the Mediterranean or Tuscany or a Caribbean beach. That's why I've invented Bliss Escape, the world's first relaxation travelogues. A gentle narrator's voice guides you while your eyes are closed to a relaxing holiday destination. As you visualize the detailed travel experience, your imagination makes you feel as if you're there, experiencing a totally blissful, relaxing vacation moment, all with the convenience of an app.